Oh, well, that's more like it.
You don't think they're a couple, do you? They're not a couple.
Ugh. Get a load of him.
This is definitely the right temple.
Well, that looks like the Chintamani stone, all right.
There must be a hidden entrance here somewhere. Wait, I've seen this guy before. It's something to do with the arms.
Wonder if there's any little keepsakes around here. This looks like it might be worth something.
I gotta get up there. But how? Hang on, I'm gonna get a closer look at this thing.
Sure. I'll just wait down here. You sure that's right?
Up you go! How's that look?
Well, how am I supposed to know you've got the damn book? Oh, I'm exhausted just looking at you. Nice work.
Okay, all right.
Nice one.
Thank you.
God, you're lucky.
All right, hey, come on, admit it. You're impressed.
I am. I'll throw you a banana. You all right?
I'm okay. Wait a minute.
What is it?
Chloe, this isn't just a dagger. It's a key.
Well, let's find out what it opens.
Pretty creepy, but say There. That do anything?
The water's going down. And I found the door it opened. We've done it.
Well, technically I did it. Be right there.
What do you think? You game?
Ladies first.
If you say so.
Thank God I'm not claustrophobic. Huh. You know, it's actually kind of romantic down here.
All right. Where's the chocolates and flowers?
You never were a chocolate and flower kind of girl.
Oh, you know me so well. You're not going to get us trapped in a small dark space 30 meters underground, are you?
Probably. A little bit of a drop.
All right, I'm coming. Ugh. Little drop.
Yeah, maybe I underestimated.
What do you make of this?
Looks like some kind of tree.
What's that got to do with the Pinto money thing?
You got me. It's opening up down here.
Okay. Oh, you have got to be kidding.
Come on, could be worse, right? Okay, that's worse.
Yeah, this is really romantic.
Spikes. I hate spikes.
Oh, brilliant. What's that noise? Something spinning.
We did it. Let's get the hell out of here.
Sorry, my life is still flashing before me.
All right, come on, follow me.
Oh, I'm hungry.